Okay, and we're going to...
Everyone, can I actually have the remote, please? Thank you. So, my name is Bernard, for the ones that don't know me yet. I'm 28 years old, and I split my time all the time from being CTO at an advertising agency called Tux & Gill and building a personal project, which I'll try to explain briefly. Every time that I come on stage, I usually think, I'm here because my parents didn't buy me the right shoes. Not these ones, obviously, these ones are quite fancy. But imagine that you're like about 14 years old, 13, and you just want to go to the yard and play football. And nothing actually happens because kids will joke at you, kids will look at you because you will just kick the ball or hit the ball and the ball will just go 90 degrees to either side. And that made me to isolate myself at the library at school. The more isolated I was going to be, the more I can say that the more isolated I was. I'm having a little break here because I'm trying to remember that nothing is impossible, just takes a little bit longer. I would like you to reflect on this phrase. The thing is, I isolated myself in the library, and the fact that I stopped, it made me abandon school. When I was 16 years old, I started working in a marketing agency. And after 7 years of trying to build impossible things, having deadlines for yesterday, building all the time one thing that was impossible. So 7 years after, I decided to drop out this company, and I asked my boss, well, I want to change the world. I want to make something that it's different and powerful in life. Because if I'm doing impossible things, why not changing the world? And that's actually impossible. So I've decided to subscribe to a volunteering action, and which I was never contacted to. So it's like I was trying to help myself, receiving and asking for more friends, at the same time that I could be meeting other people and helping the other ones. So when I was a kid, about 10 years old, my mom and my dad, they put in a guy living with us, a kid from the streets that was a drug addict. And he could live for another 10 years before he died with AIDS, which doesn't have a cure. And that changed my life forever. So I asked a couple of friends of mine, I would like to build the first social network for social entrepreneurship, European-wide, or worldwide even. I said, that's impossible. Okay, so I stopped for about a year. And what I've done was be silent for 1 year for my friends and all that knew me. After 1 year, they came to me and they said, Bernard, do you know that actually there was someone that copied your idea? There's someone that actually, it's on the media, on the press, on the news, everywhere. It's called Impact. And I said, yeah, that's mine. But how many people you used to do that? Well, I replicated myself in 3 different Bernards, Benny, Binny, and Binky. And exactly, and I think I can tell you, these guys, this guy's the marketeer, this guy's the sales, and that guy's the programmer. So now imagine from a guy that didn't have any programming background in the past to try to build something that was hypothetically impossible, and at the same time that I didn't choose to make all these speeches and things, but it's necessary if you want to promote something. And every time that I get on stage, it's like very complicated and hard, my legs shake everywhere and everything, because I only asked myself to build something, not actually to promote it. But then I couldn't get any help. And they said, Bernard, you've done something that I cannot even understand, how many programming languages you've learned. I can say that I've learned 7 different programming languages. I've learned how to database, mining, and techniques, and Linux servers, and all the complications about like web programming. But nothing is actually impossible when you have a meaningful thing to do. From all the speakers that spoke, they were speaking about something that was meaningful, that you need to change the world, do something, go there. And if you cannot find anyone to help you out, well, done is better than perfect, and do it yourselves. So I think that's the lesson. Nothing is impossible, and just takes a little bit more time. Thank you.